cooperation, a routine situation can turn into handcuffs and a criminal record in an instant.
Let's go. Take me to jail. Take me to jail.
If that's the route you want to go, we can go that route.
Sure.
Today on Green Law, just a few reckless minutes will show you why disrespecting the police always comes with very real consequences. On August 13th, 2024, an officer conducted a traffic stop for speeding 53 miles per hour in a 35-mile zone. What the officers did not expect was that the woman behind the wheel would be extremely arrogant and completely unwilling to cooperate.
Good morning. Is that because speed limit's 35? You're going 53 this morning.
It was 3 people in front of me, man. I want to record this because this is outrageous.
Okay. You have your driver's license and insurance?
I don't understand why I was being pulled over. Can you show me the speed I was doing?
Yeah, you're going 53 and a 35.
Can you show me? I'm asking you, can you show me?
It'll be on the camera for court.
I know. I want to see the camera now.
I can't do that.
Can I see your? Can I speak to your supervisor?
Sure. You have your driver's license and insurance?
I'm asking for a supervisor.
I'm asking for your license and insurance.
I'm asking for a supervisor.
Okay. In the meantime, I need your driver's license.
I'm asking for a supervisor. Can I see a supervisor, please?
Sure. I'll take you all morning. Yes, my speeder is requesting a supervisor. Ma'am, I've asked for your ID repeatedly. So, you don't have an ID? Non-emergency. She's just not cooperative at all.
The moment she was pulled over, she flipped straight into victim mode, questioning why the officer chose her when there were other cars ahead. It is an old and tired tactic. Instead of owning the mistake, she tried to shift the focus to being targeted.
She's mad.
What, did you give her a ticket?
Well, I mean, you give me one. She stopped her and said she was going 53 and a 35, and she refused to give me her ID. She started requesting a supervisor from the start. Delightful.
Okay.
And it's a rental car.
I figured you did the cage rule account.
And it's a rental car.
Yeah. Just do what we do. You want to try again? Is the Sarge on his way?
He's on his way from the 5th floor.
Did you give the other officer your ID, ma'am? I can't hear you. Ma'am, just hear me out for a second in case you didn't know. We don't have to show you our stuff. Yeah, okay. You have rights too, but we don't have to show you that stuff, ma'am.
You don't have to show me, so I don't have to show proof ID.
No, it doesn't work that way, ma'am. It doesn't work that way, ma'am.
I want to know where's my proof. Where's the proof that I go through?
She just told you that she did. Ma'am, we don't have to show you our radar equipment. No, we don't. No, we don't, ma'am.
If you have to, I want to verify. How are you going to accuse me? It was, officer, listen, it was cars in front of me. How does she pick me out of all the people? Where's her proof? Can you ask her, where's her proof? That's what I want to know.
Ma'am.
She seemed to believe that higher-ups were some kind of shield that could save her from consequences. She repeatedly refused to provide her ID, even after being warned that failure to identify herself could be a criminal offense. For people like this, an ID suddenly becomes classified information, something they act like they can never reveal.
Can we have your ID, ma'am? That's all we need. I just explained all that to you. And yes, I did, ma'am. Because we don't have to show you what our radar stuff reading is. No, we don't, ma'am. Maybe for court, but not right now. Y'all know we are too, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Still here, still waiting for your ID that you won't give me.
Yeah. You can make this process go a whole lot faster.
Go very poorly for you, dear.
Okay, I got time. So can I speak to your supervisor? Can you bring your supervisor out?
They're en route. Okay. Try to get all this resolved without a supervisor. Okay.
There. Yeah, I want you to also understand that by refusing to give your ID, you'll be subject to arrest, or you will go to jail. If that's what you're waiting for to provide identification, you can be arrested for not providing your ID. Okay. I tried. Sometimes they do. Sometimes under threat of arrest, I will provide ID. Ma'am, can you at least keep your hands visible during the traffic stop? Put your hand on the steering wheel. You can record with the other hand, but take that other hand. Yep. Fantastic. I appreciate that, dear. Thank you very much. That's wonderful. I still can't hear you because this window is up. I still have no idea what you are saying, but I appreciate you for putting it up. Okay. I can't. What are you saying? No, I cannot. You're currently. This is a traffic stop. Okay, that's good. I don't know that.
That's what we do, ma'am. On a traffic stop, we walk up.
I didn't do anything wrong. How can you prove that?
It's on my LiDAR gun. I do.
It's called probable cause, dear. That is the standard that we have met today. Yep, probable cause of a traffic infraction. What's that? Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything you're saying with your window up.
What's your name? I'm asking for your name.
Riley, it's right here on my... See, right there. Can you read?
Riley?
Yep, there you go.
Officer Markham. Yes, ma'am. What's that? My supervisor? The supervisor coming here? That gentleman is not my supervisor. I actually don't know his name. That's a daytime traffic unit. I've only seen him a few times. I hear they're rare. What's that? That's correct. Because you're refusing to provide your identification. No, you did not provide your identification. That is what you did do. I believe she said you were speeding. Is that correct?
She's speeding.
Instead of providing your ID and possibly getting a speeding ticket, your car's now getting towed.
Man, this could have gone completely different. That was on you. And there's no reason. You have refused to provide your ID.
And I didn't even do anything. You stated that
You say you didn't do anything.
You said that I was speeding.
I did say that, and you were.
said I was speeding, correct?
Yes, 53 and a 35.
So I was doing 53, so everybody was doing 53.
And she's admitted to speeding now. It's impressive.
Right? Correct?
No,
So I was the only one. So was it cars in front of me?
no.
It wasn't cars.
There were cars
There were cars in front
there
of
were
me.
cars in front of you not going 53.
Okay, so it wasn't cars in front. So how are you going to get to the tow truck? Where's the supervisor at? How are you going to tow something when I ask for a supervisor?
I don't need a supervisor to tow your car, ma'am.
You don't need a supervisor
I do not.
to tow your car? How are you going to tow your car?
She locked herself inside the vehicle and challenged the officers while recording them on her phone. She genuinely appeared to believe that a thin sheet of car glass could protect her from the law. Officer Riley showed remarkable patience, but patience always has a limit.
I'm going to give you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Okay? Lawful order to step out of the vehicle. You're failing to provide your ID at a lawful traffic stop, which is a crime. Okay, so you can either roll the window down, or I will break it. Okay. So, ma'am, you've been given plenty of opportunities here. Are you going to provide your ID? Are you going to provide your ID?
Are you serious?
Absolutely. Are you going to provide your ID?
For what? What did I do wrong?
Speeding. Speeding was the reason for the traffic stop. Are you going to provide your ID? Are you going to provide your ID? Okay. I've asked you several times, you refuse to answer. Are you going to step out of the vehicle? Are you going to step out of the vehicle? Okay, ma'am, you are now under arrest. You are under arrest for obstruction of official business and failing to provide your ID. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window. Ma'am, I'm telling you one more time. Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window. Okay.
Oh my God!
Please step out.
No, I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. I didn't even do anything wrong. Oh my God! This is crazy. Oh my God!
Put your hands together like a frame.
Why
there.
It's
Okay,
on
good.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, switch your legs for me.
Whatsoever.
That's what it's here for.
I don't have a seat when there's all this stuff right there.
Scoot in around it, you're fine. Here. Hey, have a
I'm
seat.
trying to sit down, ma'am.
Put your legs in.
No use. Just hand properly.
Thank you. Start calling family to show up.
Then came a sharp crack. The window shattered and she was pulled out of the car in visible shock. At that point, she began screaming and swearing on her father's grave that she had done nothing wrong. The irony is that moments earlier, she had openly admitted she was driving 53 miles per hour.
Are you the supervisor?
I am.
And what's your name?
Sergeant McDonald.
I have done nothing wrong. I have done absolutely nothing wrong, officer. I promise to God on my dad's grave. My dad is deceased. And she pulled me out over, I asked her, and it's all of my recording on my phone. I asked her, was there any, like, how did you pull me out of the lineup out of all these people that was driving on the vehicle? I asked her, was I the only one on the road? She said, yes. I was not, officer, it was vehicles in front of me. How did you pick me out of all the people? That's what I don't understand. I was not speeding at all. I was going to the shop. That is, oh my God. I was going to the shop. I'm trying to look for a stolen car. Yeah.
Why? Your car?
Yeah, I work for a business.
Who do you work for?
For Marriott Rental Cars right down the street, and I was going there to put information so that I could have in the system.
So, I guess the whole thing is, ma'am, if she said she got you speeding,
She did not.
you can't say that. You
I
don't know how
was
these
not.
machines
That's the
work. You don't
thing.
know how they.
And that's the thing. I was not speeding. That's the funny part about it. I was not speeding. Why would I speed?
That's not something that we debate on the side of the road. If that's how you feel, then that's something you got to go to court for. And
That's fine.
if she
I'll
says
just
that
go
you
to
were
court for
speeding,
that. I'll go to court first. I'll just go to court.
If she says that she had you speeding and she writes you a ticket, you still have to give her your information and go that route. This is
I asked to speak to a manager. I asked to speak to a supervisor. She, and then I don't know. He's the sergeant, the African American one. Them two had pulled up, and I asked to speak to a supervisor. They was like, okay, well, he's on his way. And then he broke the glass and everything for no reason. All I said was, let me speak to a supervisor. You didn't have to go to that extent to do all this extra stuff.
Calling other people to.
Where's my rights at then?
Well,
So I don't have rights.
If you're part of a traffic, I'm not saying you don't have rights. I'm saying you are required to provide information.
And you're the
have to give them
supervisor.
your ID.
I can't wait for this all to be on documentations.
Okay, that's fine. It's like driver's ed 101 that you're required to show your driver's license when you get pulled over on a traffic stop. Are we done talking? Okay. Have a good day.
That's funny that y'all could do all this, but y'all can't find a stolen car that I've been looking for. Tuh.
Well, we just found a different stolen car today.
We're just too busy.
Was it a Jeep Cherokee? I'm looking for to check these cameras.
I promise you, dear, if it's stolen and we have a list of vehicles we all actively look for.
Because I noticed when I called the detectives yesterday and spoke with the detectives, they were saying that it was like pinging off a Copley, like through the cameras.
Oh yeah, probably, yeah.
She went on to claim she was just looking for information to report a stolen vehicle, and said she could not understand why the situation had escalated. In her view, the stop and arrest were unreasonable, and she insisted she would fight it in court.
What are all your charges?
I didn't even do anything. That's the crazy part. That's why I'm so confused. And I asked to speak to the supervisor and I was refusing information.
Well, the supervisor showed up.
I asked to speak to his supervisor and he wasn't even acting like a supervisor and everybody was being so aggressive. I'm just so scared because it's like I didn't even do anything. All I'm just doing was just going to the shop and that's all I'm doing. I work for a rental car business. I'm looking for a stolen car. I was not even speeding. I'm not even like that. That was so crazy. And that's all I was asking was for to speak to a supervisor because I was not even speeding. I was trying to put the key back up that I had for the Jeep and that was it. And I was about to go back home to take my medicine and I was not even looking on this to happen. Then it must have went out for what? Like, and then we just had the supervisor come out and just listen to me. He wasn't even trying to listen to me. That's the sick part about it. Like, I didn't even do anything wrong. I'm so hurt right now because it's like, I'm not even a bad person. I'm not a bad person. I'm
ultimately charged with obstruction of official business and failure to provide identification. Instead of heading to the store as planned, she received a police escort straight to Summit County Jail. Lesson learned: do not argue traffic law on the side of the road. The sidewalk is not a courtroom. Everyone has an opinion, and the viewers in the comments section certainly do too. All you had to do was give her your ID. What a clown. As a human being, a woman, and a US citizen, this is embarrassing. So many delusionally entitled people. She deserves whatever she gets. I didn't even do anything wrong. Ma'am, you actually did everything wrong. Ashamed of nothing, offended by everything, always the victim. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. But if you thought that situation was intense, just wait until you see how the next two girls managed to escalate things even faster.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take me to jail.
On April 20th, 2025, an officer in Atlanta, Georgia, pulled over a Mercedes for a concealed license plate. The plate had been folded inward and tucked behind the vehicle emblem. Here is what unfolded once the stop began.
Man, are you stopping me because I'm a trans woman?
Okay, first of all, I'm Officer Transit with your Atlanta Police Department. Do you have your license and registration?
Do I have to give you this? What is the infractions I did?
That's not how
I'm
this
a
works.
thoracic
Give me your
scar-
license and registration and proof of insurance.
Give this to you. I want to know the reason why you stopped me.
As soon as you provide the documents I've requested,
I wanna-
no ma'am, that's not how this works.
Call your supervisor. I'm a thoracic
6-2, can I
cardiac
get a 45,
surgeon,
please?
and I didn't do nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
Okay.
Okay? You just hit me because you saw my face.
Ma'am, I've never even met you.
Okay.
I don't know who you are. Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance? I'm going to ask you one more time, and then this is going to go a completely different way.
You're gonna arrest me?
If you refuse to give me the documents I've requested, yes,
If
we're
you
going to go
tell
down
me
that
what
route.
is my infractions, I will give you
That's
my
not how that works.
No, that's how exactly.
This is
it
my
works.
traffic stop,
I
and you
know.
are not going to dictate
And I
how
am
this
not-
is done.
Ma'am, officer, dear ma'am, I am not complaining about you stopping me. I'm asking you my right to know why you have stopped me.
And I,
What is my
I've
infraction?
already explained to you.
Travel license. That's the only thing you're going to give me. Just to verify who you're dealing with. I'm a very well known here.
Okay.
And I'm going to call Betty Meyer right now.
Why
as
do you,
we're speaking.
okay.
The mayor.
Why do you have three
You-
different licenses?
Did you just hear what I said?
I didn't, actually.
You didn't. Because you don't care. See? You don't
Okay.
care about people.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
No.
Can I see your other ones as well,
No,
please?
you cannot.
It's a crime to have more than one.
This is not a crime.
Okay.
This is my mail license and I'm not going to give it to you.
Okay. Do you have the registration and proof of insurance as well? Miss
Why,
Maria?
First of all, I'm a doctor. And
Okay.
I earned that because I study until the age of 36. And I saved so many officers shot in the chest. And I regret it since I met you.
Okay. I'm
And
sorry
I'm
you
gonna
feel that
make
way.
a big stink out of this.
I'm sorry you
Because
feel that
I
way.
did not do nothing.
Okay.
You just stopped me because I was low, studying on the red. Because the guy was telling me that my right tire is leaking.
Okay.
Shame on you.
Okay.
It's a temporary permit. Yes, it is a registration.
This is a temporary permit receipt. The registration comes from the
Why are you
tax.
doing this to me?
It comes
Why-
from the tax
honestly,
collector's
why
office.
why are you doing this to me? I live right there. Okay? I own a condominium on Fairview. You make me shaking in my boots for nothing I committed. Please stop it. I'm asking you, please. On my knees, stop
Can I
it.
also get a supervisor, please?
You know, just for your record, I'm coming from my husband, which is dying. Just for your record. Okay? And I'm sorry that I am out of my mind. I don't know if you have a husband or a girlfriend or whatever you have. But my husband is dying, and it's not a lie. Okay? And it just happened 2 days ago. He's on life support. Mercy.
The moment the officer approached, the woman showed no remorse. Instead, she immediately switched into victim mode, accusing the officer of discrimination and asking, "Did you stop me because I'm a transgender woman?" It is a familiar deflection tactic. When someone is caught violating the law, they sometimes try to flip the narrative and accuse the officer of bias to create confusion and pressure.
Okay.
I think it's my other car. I have 5 cars. If you want to follow me, please, in my condominium.
No, ma'am. I am not going to follow you to your
You
house.
guys stop in our condominium all the time at night.
Okay.
We give you permission to stop in our condominium.
Okay.
At Fairview Ground.
Well, you continue to look for those documents, and I'll be right
I don't
back.
have it.
Okay. Well, as you can see, her tag is flipped up, clearly indicating that there's no way to read the tag.
Give my driver license.
Okay, but at no point does it say that we're required to explain anything to you about the reason for the stop.
I want to be explained. I asked, why did you stop me?
Well, that would be an explanation, right?
Well, why did you stop me?
I just told you 3 times. Your license plate is tucked up into your Mercedes symbol.
Okay, so that is what
Yeah.
the Orlando Police Department stopped a cardiothoracic surgeon on his way from the hospital, right? Just because you don't like the Mercedes, you don't like the face, and my plate is covered, which I don't even know because this is a brand new car.
And my computer's not on. Okay.
Are you the supervisor?
No, I'm not.
This is horrible. My first time in 62 years, I'm 62 years of age, that you ever stop for no reason. No reason. I have 5 cars. This car is brand new and we just shipped from so. And for no reason she stopped.
Okay.
No reason. She didn't give me any reason.
All right. The supervisor.
As tensions rose, she brought her personal status into the conversation. She claimed to be a heart surgeon, someone prominent, and even demanded to call the mayor. The issue was never about her resume. The issue was simple. She still had not complied with the most basic request, providing proper documentation. When emotion leads, logic usually takes a back seat.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm a thoracic cardiosurgeon at Atlanta Health. I'm on call and I've been called from the hospital. My patient is dying. I need to go. What
Okay.
we're gonna do is,
Let me go ask real quick.
please.
So she said that she is a surgeon at Advent Health, and she just said that she got a text from the hospital that her patient is dying and that she needs to
Don't care.
respond to me.
Don't have to wait. Calm down.
Situation here, and then we're done. Maybe understand. Okay. Well, we're in the middle of the traffic stop. When it's time for it to be over, this is the traffic stop.
Hello there, how are you? I'm the supervisor, and is that who you requested? Do you want to come out and talk to me in private, or do you want to talk in your car? Whatever you're most comfortable with.
Whatever. Since the time been.
I'm good either way.
I don't even know. It's my first time in life, 62 years of age. I've never been.
Yeah, let's talk face to face. It's better that way sometimes. Nice boots.
Good. Are you nights or days now?
What?
Are you nights or days?
Nice.
You're nights still. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right. I'll see you, man.
She was following me from the gas stations or whatever she was.
Yeah.
There was a guy, a black guy,
Okay.
next to me, very near, a drug house. And he put down the window and he was signaling at me, and I did not pay any attention. And I put some music just to be distracted.
Yeah.
He was insisting. There was a red light, as you know. That's when she started to basically follow me, like 1 inch behind me.
Yeah. Okay.
And so I put down the window, and the guy told me, "Look, you're losing air from your tire right there, which is much more." And I noticed from the takes, but
Sure.
he was trying to maybe make eye contact. I don't know.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I already been green light, on the things. Maybe I was 15 seconds delayed because the guy was talking to me, I was talking to him, and so she got upset. I don't know what the story was. So I just took off. No speed, no nothing.
Yeah.
Very calm. And she started to driving this close to me.
Yeah.
And I just pushed the brake. I said, "Why are you?" Because she's got an unmarked car. I didn't know it was an unmarked car.
Yeah, sure.
And she just turned the blue light.
Okay.
I said, "Me? What did I do?"
Right.
So I stopped in here, and she started to attack me. Completely.
What do you, when you say attack, what do you mean by attack?
Attack, well, verbal attack, of course, not
Okay.
physical.
What did she say to attack?
Well, first I said, "Okay, officer, I'm here." I had a wonderful day. I said, "I'm here. What did I do wrong?" I will not tell you. You have to give me wrong registration. I said, "Okay, fine. Here's my driver license. Why do you have 2 driver licenses?"
I
And I understand. I have a deep respect for the law enforcement.
Sure. Okay.
I served, okay, as a mom. Long time ago, you can meet my son. But I'm 62, as you can see. But I was in Lebanon, I was everywhere. I have never experienced this in my life.
Okay.
But it is very normal for a cis woman to treat somebody like me this way.
Yeah, it was like purposely tucked right up into that.
It was completely tucked under it so
Yeah.
that you couldn't see it.
On purpose.
Co-
Nobody that
correct.
happens on accident.
Correct. It doesn't just flap in the wind and just magically, perfectly get stuck underneath there.
Well, maybe
I'm the president of the Orlando Philharmonic Orchestra, and this person is treating me like I'm a piece of crap.
okay.
And maybe I'm overreacting. I don't know.
I think
Probably I do.
I think maybe you guys got off on the wrong terms. So
I
let me
know.
let's reset it here and just kind of go back. Okay, so the reason you got pulled over, I understand it's a new car. You know, there's you don't have everything situated yet. It takes
No,
it
I
takes some
got the
time.
document there because, CarMax just sent me the car. It just arrived yesterday.
Well,
I just put the gas on it.
So she wasn't able to see the tag, and if she's anything like
I
me,
did not know.
I have terrible vision, so I have to when I'm trying to read a tag and I'm behind somebody, I have to literally get on their bumper so I can see.
There was no car. I was doing an art transplant. I was in Missouri, in Columbia, at the University of Missouri.
Uh-huh.
And one of the fellowship, I got this car, I got to get rid of it. So I'll buy it from you.
Sure.
No, I can't. I already promised to CarMax, whatever.
Yeah.
And that's okay because I like the car. I always wanted to own one. But then I left. So I bought this car in September. And so CarMax did all the papers. And then finally I had time for them to ship me the car. Okay. And the car was shipped. I arrived yesterday, exactly yesterday, Saturday at 6:25 p.m.
Okay.
And so I noticed that there was a spire, the temporary tags and stuff like that. Yeah. I just went to put the gas. You can see. I just put the gas.
Yeah, I see it. All right.
Nothing else.
Yeah, I don't want you to get hit. So
Nothing else.
Anyway, so I don't want you to feel like you were targeted or anything like that.
Well,
and I think
know, but that's how
I
to
think
me, that's how it feels.
She wasn't able to see your tag. That was the reason for the stop. You actually aren't allowed to have more than one driver's license. That actually is.
It's not a driver license. It's an ID.
Okay.
I can have any ID I want.
A supervising officer was called in to de-escalate. The woman continued insisting she was being targeted. She emphasized her clean background, her respected profession, and why she should not be treated this way. The supervisor made a critical point. Officers do not know who you are before a stop. All they saw was an unreadable license plate.
But then I noticed that basically the plate went, with the air, I think, 100 days. That's all. I did not know that. If I had known that, I would have fixed it when I put the gas on the car.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the only thing.
I understand. I mean, she's doing her job. She's trying to enforce compliance with the law, and
I respect her.
I understand that you just got the car,
but I understand that there are, but you also have to see the record of the person that you stop. I mean, it's not that and. Okay.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we give.
I had infractions, yeah. I had the expired plate. But if you tell me that she's coming from a very tough neighbor, I'm from Sicily. I can tell you I come from a very bad neighbor, okay?
Yeah.
Where they were killing people like me. But then you choose your battle. Yeah. Why stop me and not the black guy that was bothering me and he was harassing me? Why she doesn't stop that guy?
I hear you.
With all the car open.
And we do that
she
also.
Stop me.
But we do that also. You know what I'm saying? You just happen to be in front of her.
She just targeted me because she went from that lane to this lane behind me, boom, and she stopped me.
Yeah.
Thanks for dealing with this with me. Are you better now with them?
I don't think it's.
I'm not finished, man. I am not finished. No, I'm not. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm here.
Did I say I'm finished?
No. Well, I thought you were. I thought you said you had to go. So I was going out of your way.
Well, no, I just canceled my call.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a lot of problems, but okay. So what's the verdict here?
That's why I was trying to come explain.
What's the citation for?
Okay. It's a criminal citation. She has to sign it. She has the court date is on the bottom.
Why is
sign where the X is.
For what reason?
The attached tag is not assigned. So this tag, as you can see, is out of Missouri. This car is not registered. It's an unregistered motor vehicle. This tag is not assigned to this vehicle. You're not the registered owner of this vehicle either. This vehicle comes back out of Wisconsin, not Missouri.
I just bought this car at CarMax.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you what my teletype is telling you.
At this stage, she claimed the plate had folded inward because of the wind while driving. The problem is, facts do not bend with stories. The vehicle was not properly registered, and the Missouri plate she was displaying did not match the Mercedes.
I agree with you. What's the serial number on that car?
There is no serial number.
So, no, this is a VIN.
A VIN, yes, correct.
Please can you check the VIN of the car?
That's not the issue. You're not listening to what I'm saying. The VIN comes back to a vehicle out of Wisconsin.
This guy was never in Wisconsin.
I'm just telling you what they're telling me. When you run the VIN, it comes back out of Wisconsin, not Missouri.
So.
And then it's not registered.
Excuse me. Mercedes SLKs are being assembled in Wisconsin.
Missouri is the tag.
Yes, but that's the V number, man.
Look, 10 of 24.
I understand.
We are in April
And
of
that is
25.
Okay.
The vehicle is not registered. That is a criminal offense. You can be going to jail.
That's fine. I'll show you.
Instead of me taking you to jail, I wrote you a criminal citation to go to court.
No, you can take me to court if you want to.
I am. It's right here.
Well, that's all.
If you want to take me to court,
It's only if you.
I'm going to follow you.
Go ahead.
Please do it.
You can sign right there.
No, please take me to court.
Ma'am.
That's another thing. Do you see how she talks?
I think she's just being straight with you.
No, she said me, if you don't sign this, I will take you to jail. I've never been
It
in
is
jail
a
in my
criminal
life.
citation. You
So,
have to sign it.
Since it's a criminal
You know-
ticket, you're by law, you're
I'm
required
not
to
going to
sign
sign
it.
it. I'm not going to sign it.
10-4.
Okay, hold on a second. Let's
Take me to jail. Take me to jail. I'm not going to work anymore. Take me to jail. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take me to jail. Take me to jail.
If that's the route you want to go, we can go that route.
Sure. I have not done nothing. I have not done nothing. Nothing.
Ma'am.
Take me to jail. And by the way, I'm recording everything. I want to.
I understand. So
Okay.
Listen, I'm
I
trying to
have
talk.
not done anything.
I wanna talk-
Why did you stop the black guy that was harassing me?
Are we going to keep doing this? Or she's going to go?
No.
You want to go? Yeah.
All right.
You're gonna arrest
Sign your
me?
back. Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Are you serious?
That's what you're telling us to do.
All right. So wait a second.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll sign it.
No, it's too late now. We're not going to do that.
So don't do this.
It's too late.
Oh, come on, guys.
It's too late. That's not how it works.
Oh my God, no. Man, okay, I apologize. Please.
How this works.
You're good.
Instead of signing the citation, she escalated. Take me to jail then. Go ahead, she challenged. Atlanta officers were more than willing to accommodate that request. A few impulsive seconds completely changed the outcome.
I'll go around the other side. Come on.
It's that simple.
Okay, that's it.
Come on, okay.
Hold on. Please don't hire. Hold on.
Do you want to be seatbelted in?
Sir, please.
Ma'am,
When we talk.
I gave you the chance.
I know.
Sorry.
Okay, I was an asshole because I'm a surgeon. Ma'am, can I speak with you, ma'am? Please. Please don't do this. I have no problem. Please,
You left no choice.
on midnight. Please!
I'm sorry.
Don't do this to me!
I'm sorry.
As she was escorted to the patrol car, her tone shifted dramatically. The confident doctor softened, apologized, and claimed she did not understand how the process worked. But the law does not come with an undo button for people who overestimate their imagined leverage. What began as a concealed plate violation could potentially lead to charges such as operating an unregistered vehicle, improper display of license plates, or even misdemeanor level criminal offenses. If not handled properly in court, that could mean significant fines, a record of violations, and possible professional consequences. In your view, is this likely to end with just a citation, or could it spiral into something more serious? And if you think this was just another heated exchange on the roadside, the next situation will show you what happens when an 18-year-old truly believes she is above the law.
What? This guy said no!
On October 4th, 2023, an officer was dispatched to a hotel to assist a social worker who was having trouble with a client refusing to get out of a vehicle. This is the footage of what happened next.
The situation pretty much is I picked her up and I took her to like run errands all over town. She told me that she was going to stay with a friend here, so I brought her. Here. She was trying to get a hold of the friend. The friend wouldn't answer. Finally, he did. He said that he was like 2 hours away. So I said, okay, cool. Like you can either stay here with your stuff, or I'll take you to McDonald's and for him there. She didn't want to do either or. So then she got a hold of that guy again, and he said that he apparently wasn't staying here anymore. He decided to go somewhere else. I said, well, you need to start calling like friends, family, whoever, to try to figure out like where you're gonna stay, because we don't do placement after they're 18.
Yeah.
And so she's like, I don't have anybody. And I'm like, dude, I don't know what to tell you. You know what I mean? Like, we're kind of SOL. And so she's like, just drive. And I'm like, well, where do you want me to take you? And I said, I have to take you somewhere. And she's like, well, just take me to the office. And I'm like, I can't take you to the office because you're over 18.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of like stuck because she doesn't have any money. Somebody apparently stole her money that I gave her on Friday because they get checks every month. She cashed it on Friday. She said she stayed at one hotel Friday and then she stayed with a friend. She ended up getting arrested, I believe, on Sunday for a warrant that she had out and battery on an officer as well.
What's her name?
Deja.
Ah, yeah, I know who she is.
Yeah.
I heard that.
She told me she was trespassed, but that you guys never gave her anything. So, but I took her there to get her stuff. She got her stuff from there. That's who she's blaming that took her all her money. So I called my boss. I told her the situation. That's her calling her now. And she said, "Well, you need to call law enforcement because."
Yeah. Let me talk to her. Get her out. I mean.
Yeah.
I mean, you already did the favor of taking her around. Which,
and my boss says I can't stay with her all night, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. And she doesn't like law enforcement.
Of course not. Nobody does.
What happened?
Yeah, Deja.
What's up?
What's going on?
Nothing.
Nothing
I
at all?
want to talk to you later.
Alright, you don't need to talk to me, but you do need to get out of the car. Alright, she needs to take off.
Okay.
Alright?
Later. Get away from me. Now.
Get out of the car.
Can you get...
Yeah, I'll move out the way. But you're gonna get out the car. She has to go do stuff.
I understand.
Okay, cool.
Goodbye.
Go ahead and unbuckle and get out.
I don't need a... Goodbye.
Just unbuckle and get out, ma'am. You can't stay in here.
I already asked to go back to the CYD office. That is all I need to say to you.
How old are you?
Goodbye.
How old are you? Oh, Deja, you're the one that got arrested at...
You.
We don't need to go that way.
Yeah, we
you
don't
know
need to
me,
go that way.
And I don't know you.
Yeah, you don't know me.
Okay,
So don't try
but
to
I know
act
you're
like
18.
you know me.
I know you're 18.
I'm not 18. You got that wrong.
Alright, how old are you?
Doesn't matter.
How old are you? How old are you?
Doesn't matter.
Alright, what's your name and date of birth?
Why?
I have a lawful reason right now to identify who you are because you're not getting out of a state vehicle and they
I am
requested me
a
here.
Okay. Then if you get the out of here and get the away, I'll step out of the car.
I step back for you. I just spelled your last name.
I don't know.
You really want to go to jail?
No,
for
I'm trying to step out of the car.
Okay, I'll unbuckle and I'll step out of the
Get
way.
him.
I'll step out of the way, but you need to start unbuckling now.
No, you need to back the.
I'm telling you right now, Deja, you're not in charge right now.
No, I need you to back up and
I will.
respect my space.
Okay,
and
I'm not
back
in your
the
space. I'm telling you right now.
Get this the
Alright?
away from
So
me
go ahead and start
before-
unbuckling now. There's no need for threats.
There's no need for you to be here or for you to try to talk to me, okay?
I was called out
Goodbye.
here. I was called out here.
Nah.
The young woman, Deja, 18 years old, had just spent the entire day being driven around the city by social worker Alicia for assistance services. But when Alicia told her she needed to exit the vehicle because the youth support program had ended once she turned 18, Deja launched into a dramatic standoff. She refused to get out and told Alicia, just drive. It was the behavior of a child throwing a tantrum in an adult body.
Contacted me. So she needs my help. So Deja, go ahead and unbuckle and get out.
Unbuckled. Now
Appreciate
leave.
I
The
appreciate
out of my face.
Get out.
No, I need you to get the away from me.
I did. I stepped back enough.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. There's no need
I'm
for you to
done
raise your
talking
voice.
to you.
You don't need to talk. You just
Back
need to get
up.
out of the car.
Don't talk to me ever
You just
again.
need to get out of the car.
I'll get out of the car when I talk to my caseworker and you're gone.
That's not gonna happen because she called for my assistance.
Then I'll call for another officer's assistance because I'm done with this
Okay,
conversation.
go ahead and
I
call.
need you to get
You
away.
can call them you want. You want me to call you one? I'll get you one right here right now.
Can you get him away? Look, I'm out of the car. Now
Appreciate it.
get on your business and get the out of here.
You could go over there.
No.
You could go over there.
No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Deja, I'm gonna tell you right now, you're gonna get out of the vehicle.
For what? Because y'all trying to arrest me for what
I'm
this
not arresting
time?
you. I'm just telling you, she doesn't want you in her vehicle. So you need to get out of the vehicle.
I don't want you near me. It's all the ass. I don't want you near me. No, leave.
That's not gonna happen because you're not the one that called me.
Look, I'm out of the vehicle.
I appreciate it. Get your stuff and
No.
get it out. You're not staying in the vehicle, Deja.
Yeah. Leave.
Deja,
Get your stuff and get out of the
No,
vehicle.
I've actually talked to my
Nice.
caseworker. That's all it
Just stop me a
takes. I'll get my stuff out of the car when I'm able to talk to her and have a conversation with her when you're not involved.
Cool, it's okay. Just go ahead and get your stuff out.
No, this is why y'all think y'all have rights.
No, you think you have rights.
No, I
but you
know
don't
I have
But
rights.
you don't know them. But you don't know them.
You don't know them. You think because you're in a uniform, you're entitled.
I don't think I'm entitled to anything, ma'am.
Then can you step out of my motherfucking way and let me talk to my caseworker?
You get out of the vehicle and go over there and you could talk to her right now because your caseworker doesn't want you in this car. So I'm asking you nicely, please.
No, you're
go
not
ahead and get out.
asking me nicely.
I'm asking you, ma'am. Please step out of the vehicle and come over here. Do you have any other stuff in the car? Just this right
A
here?
lot of shit's in the car. It's all mine.
No, what? Yours?
Fool.
Is this
Seconds.
Do I have to take
Yeah.
I kind of did, but I'm
Okay.
talking
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. We're just trying to figure out options, but we don't have.
I've been trying to
Okay.
figure out options.
Well, they try to help you.
I
and then
ain't
you
talking to you.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you that she's talking to her boss and they ain't got options.
I know who she's on the phone with.
Okay, well, get out of the car. Stop yelling, please.
No.
You know there's a charge for that as well, right?
Yeah. Okay. And.
Yelling and shouting.
Okay.
So
And.
you're just adding charges to your...
I'm not doing shit. I need you
You
to leave me
are.
the
You're
alone.
not getting out.
You're not leaving me alone.
At this point, I'm not
I
gonna
don't
leave
feel
you alone.
comfortable getting out of
That's
the car
fine.
with you
That's
around.
Fine. Get out.
No.
I'm telling you right now, this is your last chance.
I'm
Get
out.
out all the way
Get
out.
no.
Get out all the way out of the vehicle. All the way. Go over there.
No.
Step over there.
No. Get.
Step over there, away from the vehicle. Deja, I'm only giving you one more chance.
I've been out of the vehicle
Now
3,
get
4,
over
5,
there.
6, 7, 8, 9 times.
Now get over here,
Put
Deja.
your hands on me for no reason.
I have every reason to put my hands on you, so you
really
need to get out of the way.
don't.
You're causing a scene for no reason.
You're causing a scene.
Get away from the car. Get out. She has to leave. She has other things she has to do.
Then I can talk to my caseworker.
Yeah, talk to her over there because she doesn't want you in her car.
And I don't want you near me, and I don't feel
Okay,
comfortable
as soon
walking
as you
away
get out of the
from
with all your
with you
stuff,
around.
I'll leave. As soon
No,
as you
the
get
you won't.
Yeah, because this is all the reason I'm here for. Is for you sitting in that car. That's the only reason I am here, Deja.
The only reason I'm still in this car is because you are here now.
Okay, well, get out.
When the officer instructed Deja to step out of the car, she responded with profanity and openly challenged his authority. The irony is hard to miss. She was unlawfully remaining inside a government vehicle, yet she lectured the officer about her rights and ignored a lawful order 9 separate times.
Are you okay with her taking it to the office?
Are you done here?
Are you okay with taking
Are
it
you
to the
done
office?
here?
No, I'm not.
Then
Yes
I'm
or no?
not answering your questions.
What do you have that you could take on you right now?
I'm not taking anything on me. I'm
Okay.
waiting for you to leave
Okay,
me
then
the
get out of the car.
I am out of the car.
Get completely out of the way so she
simple.
can leave.
No.
And I'm gonna walk over here, get what stuff you
I
need.
don't care what
Okay?
you need to
Okay.
walk over and do.
You want me
Walk
to do
over
that?
and do so.
Okay. I'm gonna
No.
walk away for now, but when I come back,
I don't
when I come
Get
back,
out.
I'm
Don't
telling you
step
right now,
to me.
what
Get
I'm
the
telling-
away.
Don't put your fucking hand in
Get
my
the
face.
out of
I'm
my
gonna tell you
face.
right now. Don't touch me and don't put your hand in
I
my
ain't
face.
touching you.
I'm telling you right now, don't put your hand in my face. All
The
right?
is it at, G? Where's the at?
Okay. So now,
Bye.
get out of the car.
Don't
Get out of the car. Get in the car. I told you once, don't get in the car. Bring it over here. Yeah, you'll talk to her in a minute. Don't put your legs in.
No, can you please also press from my head? I just want to talk to my... Stop!
Do not.
No!
Put your foot in.
Can you please tell me what's actually going on?
No, I'm not going to do that until you put your foot in. Huh? Put your foot in.
She didn't want to get out of the car. She told her to get out. She's 18. So I gave her a lot. And finally she,
no, not when you're acting like this.
She didn't want
You're
to
acting
move.
ridiculous. Put your foot in.
I'm not acting ridiculous!
I got resisting now.
I'm going to give you one last opportunity.
Can you actually tell me what's going on?
Not until you comply with the thank you.
No, bullshit!
Don't grab me.
I literally just want to talk to my caseworker. Can you guys stop? Can I please stop? I can't breathe when you do that. Please just, can you please just stop?
It's on the side.
It's fine, I'll stop.
It's gonna,
Okay.
she's gonna put her in mind, so you don't put the bottom.
Well, it needs to be buckled up.
Stop.
It needs to be loosened up.
I'll stop resisting, okay?
Too much slack.
I'll stop. What the f***? Please! This isn't right! This isn't right! This isn't right! Please stop!
Hey, act like a grown adult. Act like a grown adult and stop screaming, and I'll let her come to the window so you could talk to her. You understand? Do you understand? Calm yourself. Stop yelling. Act like an adult, and I'll bring her over here. No, you're not. You're still screaming.
This is where her defiance peaked. Instead of complying like an adult, she chose to physically resist, escalating the situation unnecessarily. At one point, the officer had to say, "Act like an adult, stop screaming like a child." It was a blunt reminder of what accountability looks like at 18.
I'm going to the hospital!
Yeah, but you're gonna go to jail right after.
Why isn't she allowed to go with me?
Because you're an adult and you don't need somebody to go with you.
I don't care what I am. She's allowed.
No, she's not. You're in my care now.
I'm not in your care.
Yeah, you are.
Because you want me to be your freak.
You're in
and
my
a
custody.
predator.
You're in my
And you
custody.
assaulted me.
You're in my custody now.
You had no right to.
Give you every chance.
Charges against you.
You
You're gonna stop.
You can.
You monster.
That is your right.
You wasn't allowed to grab me and you knew it.
Yes, I can. You're not allowed in that car. That's not your car.
This ain't your car.
Your actions cause this.
You. Hands on me. You didn't get to put his hands on me. No. No. It's not right. It's not right. It's not right. I'm trying to keep my fucking cool. I really am. What the f*** is it y'all want?
Should chill out.
What was the point of it?
You were listening to my partner.
Your partner?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Did you see all that has happened before you got there? No, you haven't. You haven't. So, like,
You can talk to him.
I don't want him near me. I don't want him around. He doesn't need to be around me.
Do you need some water?
No, I need you to leave me alone.
You're in my custody.
I don't care. I don't need you to talk to me or anything. Just leave me alone.
Don't talk then.
I can talk if I want to.
Alright.
I don't need you around. I don't need you to be get the back the up. That's not alright. I don't give a who's custody of me. Get the away. I don't know nothing to say it to you. Get the away. Yeah, act like a child.
You're the one who was screaming in the hospital.
That's all I did.
No, because you got off last time.
No,
We're
I
not doing this.
Okay, I don't want him near me. That's literally
I'm gonna
it.
cuff you to the bench, or I'm gonna cuff you to the bed. Sorry.
Okay, I don't care. I don't want him near me.
Is it okay if I can take pictures of you?
No, it's not okay. Go away.
It's just for the use of force.
No, I said no.
Well, I'm doing it.
Get the away. This is I said no. I said no. That's not right. You don't get to
Even after being transported to the hospital for evaluation of minor injuries she caused during the struggle, Deja continued yelling and refused to cooperate while officers documented evidence. After being medically cleared, she suddenly demanded to go back to the hospital, a last-minute attempt to delay being booked into jail.
What's she on? I don't know, but it's for her to have
What
this.
are we gonna do at the jail at our place?
I know.
Why don't we just take her straight there? She keeps acting like this. I don't want to leave her in this.
Yeah.
In this forever. So I like to get her, if possible, straight to the DC. Okay. If you want to take her straight to the DC and do the paperwork there, I'm good with that too.
Okay.
I need to be seen by the hospital! No, Brian! No! I want to die to the doctor!
You already had that chance.
You can't do this! You're in the wrong! You're in the wrong! I was allowed to die to the hospital! Why was I not allowed to die today? Why do you do this? Why do you think it's okay? Why do you feel like you're entitled? I want to go to the hospital!
You were actually just discharged from the hospital.
You did not even let me talk to them!
They checked you out. What do you mean?
They didn't even check my head!
They checked all of you. You didn't want to comply. You're going to the jail.
Why do you think this is okay? What did I do to you? I want to press charges. And I want to go to the hospital for medical attention. I have a right to request that.
It didn't end there.
Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away
We didn't get a chance to search her because we had to put her in this right away, so you guys know.
And Deja was charged with concealing her identity, resisting arrest, and assaulting a police officer. Turning 18 means you are legally accountable for your actions. It does not mean you are entitled to occupy someone else's vehicle and refuse lawful commands. Freedom and reckless defiance are not the same thing. What do you think about Deja's behavior in this situation? And this was only one confrontation. In the next segment, we will look at the mindset behind these encounters, the thinking that leads some young adults to underestimate authority and the very real consequences that follow.
Y'all mess with me because I'm black.
On August 17th, 2022, officers were dispatched to a residential neighborhood after reports of gunfire. They encountered a man limping through the area who was extremely uncooperative, repeating, "I don't know," over and over like a broken record.
Man, what's going on? You get shot? You get shot?
I'm good. I'm good.
What
I'm
happened?
good.
Hold
I'm
up,
good.
hold up. You're limping, man. Slow down. What's going on? Hold up.
Huh? I don't know.
Hang on a second. What's going on? What happened?
I don't know. I gotta get my car.
Hold up a second. What's going on?
I don't know. It's alright. I don't know.
Bro. Okay. Patting you down, bro.
I ain't got nothing.
No walk off. Sir, stop.
I gotta go to my car.
Stop, man.
Hold up. Relax.
Listen, calm down. It's okay. We're not saying you did nothing. All right? We got gunfire. We got people pointing to you saying somebody was probably coming after you. We gotta figure out what's going on. Okay.
You okay? You need to be in the car with me?
I gotta get my mama car.
Where's
We'll
that?
get there in a moment.
Right there at the next door to Ebony House. Joe, go get that car. The keys in it.
Go get the car for 34th Street.
What's going on? You were in the area. What'd you hear?
I just heard the gunshots.
When?
Just night. Yeah, it was just me with females.
You females?
And
Where?
3 little dudes. I don't even know.
You said little dudes, like kids?
Little dudes.
Teenagers?
Yeah.
What'd they look like?
I don't know. They ran on the side of the house. I don't know.
What house?
Oh.
From where?
Right there.
They ran up and around that way? Which way they go? Hey, stand up for me. Which way they go?
They went that way, towards the projects.
Towards.
34, be advised, the suspect.
As officers tried to help, concerned that he may have been targeted, he appeared nervous and unable to provide clear information. The only detail he offered was that he saw 3 teenagers running toward a nearby public housing complex.
That's it. What you need? That's it. You just got his shirt off. What's wrong?
Yeah, he's matched the description. Someone we're looking for. Give me a second.
He matched the description. That's my son. He wouldn't need. What you need?
Okay.
What's his name? Because we ain't got no reason to run from nobody. What you need?
And, bro, no one said you're running. I'm Officer Stevenson. How you doing, man? I'm Officer Stevenson. That's it.
What's up?
Hey, so I got a call. We got some gun discharge over here. All I got is a black male, no shirt, walking this way.
He just took the shirt off.
He's in the car. Just got out the car. I believe you. 100%. 100%. I was told this by somebody else. Okay. So if Mom's willing to, I'll get her statement and her information and yours.
Let me get your name too as well, man.
Nope, back up. You ain't asking me shit. What the
That man got a shirt on.
What the mic?
He got a shirt on.
Asking me shit.
Shirt on. He do not need to be. I got that.
For real. Ain't nobody y'all picking out.
We just gave the name, that's it. We just got the name.
That's a child. You can't question him.
Where's his mom? Where's his mom?
I'm his sister. I'm his adult.
Where's his mom?
No, I'm the parent. That's him.
No.
Yeah, I'm the parent. That's him. You ain't got to talk to him. You ain't got to. Your boy got a school club.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all messing with me because I'm black.
Man, go in the house first before I turn up. For real, go in the house before I turn up. And I'm gonna be leaving in the police car. I promise you that.
Hey, go back.
What are you doing? What you doing? I need to
Coming out on another single 26, Highway 30.
My man. You can stop. Come on. Don't touch me. Bro, don't touch me.
On scene with 23.
Don't touch me.
Back up, y'all.
Don't touch my brother. Don't touch my
Hey.
You ain't got no reason to even be out here. Your mama not even home.
Move out of the way.
No, I just told you he got shit to do. My brother just came out of the house. You're not talking to him. You're not talking to him. I'm his parent. I'm his guardian. Don't talk to him.
It doesn't matter.
Be a child. Don't talk to him.
You tried that earlier today. It didn't work with the BOE. It's not going to work with us.
Where's your parents?
You
know what? Detain her. Get her identified and get her over here towards our car.
Relax. Relax.
Trying to just chill out.
You're just being detained.
Just being detained.
You're just being detained.
Relax. Relax.
That's all. You're not going to jail. You're being detained.
I told him that he was on. I told him
22 Charlotte 1, we have one black male detained.
Stop trying to. Hey, cuz, what the f you doing? Why don't be mad having me?
Stop pushing around on me.
I ain't pushing around you. I'm trying to check my face. You got me f***ed up. Yo.
23 to Vaughn are going to use that subject white shirt back outside. You want to get?
Please.
Oh, okay. I thought you was going to say please.
Please take a. Please. Sit down.
You ain't got to force me. I got my own manners.
I've been asking you. I said please, and you won't move. So please
I don't got to
take a
move
seat.
when you want me
Yes,
to.
you will. Please.
I ain't got to move when you want me to. No, I don't.
Please.
I don't.
Please take a seat because I don't want to do this today.
All right, but stop trying to push me in this shit. I can sit down by myself.
Then sit down.
Let me go then.
No.
I ain't sitting down. You're going to have to sit me down
I'm
yourself.
upset.
I promise you that.
I really don't want to do this.
Well, don't
Just
do
sit down.
it. Then you're going to have to. I
Just sit
promise
down.
you that you're going to have to.
Go ahead and sit down. Go ahead and sit down.
Officers soon located 2 teens matching the description, one of them shirtless. But when they attempted to question them, the real chaos did not come from the teenagers. It came from the older sister and the mother.
Jail.
Calm down before you go to jail.
Did she kick you?
Man, no,
Kick
because,
you?
no, what they had no right questioning that man in.
What's her name?
He had the shit to do with that shit tonight.
I'm just a neighbor.
Okay, I need you to leave out of here then if you're a
Okay,
neighbor.
well, I'm waiting on her mama. Her
Okay.
mama. That's my sister. I don't
You can wait your mom for her mom over there. 23.
Hold on. Man, all we're trying to do is get his information, get him ID. That's all we're trying to do.
That's a minor.
That's it. Minor or not, I can still identify him.
No, you're
Where's
not.
mom on the way?
And that don't make a difference unless I'm asking him questions that could incriminate him. Asking him who he is doesn't incriminate anybody. That's not how that works. If you have a law degree, then come talk to me.
That's all. Y'all don't have to worry about her going to jail.
What's your name?
I don't know. I don't speak English.
You need to get in the house.
That seemed pretty good English to me.
He out here playing.
But you got me out, fool,
See, you should never came back outside. Why did you even come back out the door first of all?
TJ just told me that.
Okay, but listen, you still supposed to stay your ass in the house.
Hold on.
Now you got to get in there.
What y'all touching me for?
You're getting detained now since you don't want ID yourself.
All right, but y'all just detained
Y'all
right
touching me
Stop
for?
playing.
You're being detained, I already told you.
How you gonna arrest them after not getting done?
Detained, not arrested.
Why you batting me down, though, bro?
You gotta make sure ain't no knives.
I ain't even do nothing
that,
because
man.
they still trying to figure out my
detained
name
right
and
now,
I won't
that's
tell
all.
them my name.
That right there, he's
I'm not
gotta
telling
give
y'all
us
my
his
name.
name.
I don't care about
You're
none of
required
that,
by
brother.
law to.
You're tripping.
You're required to, man.
I don't gotta tell y'all shit. I know my rights, brother. You tripping.
Your rights are one thing, but you're breaking the law right now. Obstruction. Okay, failure to identify yourself in public housing.
Okay. So, if he won't give us his info, let's at least try to get mom's info to give her a call. Unscrew this.
And then try to go, well, y'all can't question him. I said, no, I'm trying to identify him, not question him.
That's it.
The sister was placed in a patrol car for obstruction and disorderly conduct. Even then, she kept yelling, "This is my freedom of speech." Officers patiently explained the difference between free speech and interfering with an investigation. At the same time, a neighbor contacted the boy's mother and spoke with her before she arrived on scene.
Ma'am, this is Detective Bond with the Savannah Police Department. Are you close by, ma'am? You're on. Your son matched the description of someone that we had just a couple of blocks from here and did not want to identify himself, tried to run. I'm assuming this is his sister over here as well. Ma'am, I get that they may have bad experiences, but when somebody matches the description of something that we were given, especially in close proximity and close time frame for what we had, they can't just up and run whenever we make the stop. That's why I was trying to get them to understand, but your son right now is detained due to failure to identify. Okay. Ma'am.
Hey you, don't take Sean to the jail.
We're not taking anybody to jail right now, my buddy. It's okay. Okay? But, man, he still is not free to walk away. He is still not free to not identify himself. And we do need to get his information. We need to get your daughter's information as well. Can you help me out with their information? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Mom is pissed. Mom is pissed, but she is on the way.
She was over here.
She said she's almost here.
He outside, walked up and asked me what's his name.
All right, so this is what we got.
First of all, I'm gonna stop you right there. Don't rush into shit. Y'all don't pay for shit. Don't rush into the house and grab nothing that belonged to me. If it was a problem, you should have asked one of my neighbors. Let my neighbors call me, and I would have came over here with no problem. Don't rush up on my kids, and don't rush at nothing that y'all don't pay for. You know you can't do that by law. You wasn't supposed to go in my house at all.
We never did.
Man,
He came back out.
I got a video of all that
Number one. Number two, we had a shots fired incident really close by. Your son matches the description along with somebody else. The other guy wound up stopping and cooperating and giving us his info. We needed to talk to your son and get his info and get your info. And
What you need my information
is this your, because we're
Both
talking
of
to your
them are
son.
mine, and you got them in a car for what?
Because she was trying to help him run away. She was trying to prevent us from talking to him. She was trying to
She's
prevent
the guardian when I'm not here.
Doesn't matter. She does not have that right to prevent us from talking
So
to him.
if I have a problem with you guys, because you guys have literally picked on me, one of you guys have literally been standing in my doorway. I'm standing in my door minding my business, and one of your officers pull out a gun on me, turn around, and another officer body slam. You
Ma'am.
think I'm not gonna run from all y'all?
I don't know nothing about what happened with that. What I'm saying is that your son matched the description that we were given of a serious incident. So yes, we had to stop him. When we find somebody matching that description, ma'am, they are not just free to go.
Let them out the car.
No, we need to get their information first.
No, you can let them out the car.
No,
Then
ma'am.
I can give you the information because I don't trust y'all.
That's not how that works, ma'am. We have got to get their information. We've got to get everything taken care of. Can you
Ask
please
Stevenson
just
my
help us out?
information. Stevenson know all my kids.
We also need their information.
He knows all of their information.
When the mother showed up, instead of cooperating to clarify a shooting that had just threatened the neighborhood, she accused officers of entering her home, something they had not done.
Can we get her name and her date of birth so we can...
No, because y'all not about to lock my child up for some bullshit.
Right now,
no.
it's a misdemeanor. She's not going to jail. No, she keeps trying to break my window. Then we're looking at something different.
A misdemeanor for what? It's not obstruction. It's not obstruction
and
if I
disorderly
step
conduct.
in. But if I step in and I'm the parent and I'll be like, oh, this and that, and I push my child out the way.
If you're physically touching an officer to get him out of the way, to stop him, yes.
So you mean to tell me if you're this close and I step in and I do this,
First
push
off,
my
don't
child.
do that. Don't do that. I get you were trying to explain, but don't do that.
Is that your name? Okay.
Okay.
Yukara? Did I pronounce that right?
Close enough.
But when she does that, yes, it is obstruction. Especially since always.
Since when? 'Cause they all-
Whenever somebody hinders us from completing our investigation, that's obstruction. Whether they hinder us, that is obstruction. She physically hindered. She didn't just say oh no, somebody's not here, and then we have to go and look for somebody else. She physically hindered, as well as yelling and screaming about how we're gonna have to take her to jail and how she's gonna mess somebody up today. She did it. We tried to get her over here. We tried to just detain her, sit her in the car. She wants to resist sitting in the car. I don't know why.
Yes. This morning with the
Right,
bullshit.
with the bus,
and that's
yeah.
why I came and got them then.
Right. But she was doing the same thing then. She was trying to identify as their parent. Not as their sister, as their parent, as their guardian.
Well, technically...
I get that she's babysitting, and I get that she's old enough to watch them when you're gone. I 100% get that. But with BOE and with us, when it comes to juveniles, we need their parent. Not their brother and sister that's of the age, not their babysitter, their parent.
Oh, because I was told they can talk to her if I'm not around because she's on his paperwork.
As a legal guardian. If she provided that paperwork as a legal guardian, that's great.
No, I just know she's on all the paperwork for them to emergency contacts. She's on the paperwork. My
Emergency
other son's
contact
on
is still
phone.
different. It's still different. I could put you as my emergency contact.
Oh no, but I mean she literally goes to the school if I can't make it. If they have parent-teacher meetings, her and my son are on their paperwork to do anything.
Well, that's what BOE was saying today, and it's the same with us. When we deal with juveniles, we have to deal with parents or legal guardians. That's just how it is. I get that she's babysitting. Now, if it was just a question of somebody was like, hey, can you check on these kids? Their mom's not there. And we knocked on the door and we saw her there and nothing was going on, of course that's fine. That's no problem at all. Because she's able to watch them. She's legally able to watch them. She's of age. She's of sound mind. But when she identifies as a parent, that's different. When it comes to this, when it comes to investigations, and we have to deal with actual parents and guardians, we have to deal with actual parents and guardians, not brothers and sisters, even if they are of age. If she was 42, we still would need you to deal with the kids.
You know me. What's up?
Okay, you know me. Nobody went in your house. I give you my word. I was there. Now the investigator stood at the door. He never went in. Your son came out on his own. No officer went inside your house. I give you my word on that.
All right, so what's up with Detective?
He's out here dealing with someone, just like I came out here last time, and your daughter over here kept running mouth, kept yelling at everybody, kept trying to act all, Billy Badass. What I tell you then, it was going to wind up and turning into this. I told you that last time she did that stuff with me, that she was going to wind up getting charged with it. And that's exactly what happened. Because I understand you trust your daughter to look after your son when you're not here. Mm-hmm. Eyes of the law, we show up. I explained this last time too. Public housing, we have the authority to identify anybody we find in public housing. She can't stop that. You can't even stop that. You have to be there if we are questioning your children in regards or any questions that could incriminate them. So if I'm going to sit there and question your son about what may or may not have happened over here in Precinct 3, I need you present. To identify him, I do not need you present. I would like it just for cooperation's sake, but I don't have to have it legally.
Okay, see, everybody got something different to say.
And this is what I explained. I don't know the other one's name, but his mom was out here. I explained it the same way. All we were trying to do, and we made that clear, we were just trying to identify him. Get his name, get his information, confirm where he lived. Now, anything past that, we'd have had you here before we started questioning anything. But then, just like last time, your daughter wants to start shooting off her mouth, talking about how she's going to go off in a minute, start running around, screaming, hollering, acting like she's about to throw down with everybody out here, getting everybody else out here riled up. And just like I told you last time, what it turned into. Now she charged for it. Last time we let her walk off. This time, no.
She insisted her daughter had the right to block officers because she was in charge while her mother was away. That is not how the law works. There is no legal delegation that allows someone to obstruct an active police investigation.
Once she started getting everybody amped up, riled up, he stood there for a minute. I mean, he wasn't really cooperating with us, but he wasn't running around acting a fool. Once she got everybody riled up, then he's running in the house. She's trying to block us in the door, talking about, you know, waving her arms, talking about going off on everybody. So now she charged. He's still getting identified, so she ain't changed nothing but the fact that she got a court date in the future.
All right, Mom. So we're going to let her out of the vehicle so I can take that one cuff off her. Can you just please calm her down while we do that?
Oh.
For what? We got to go. It's orders be blood, though. Because you can yell. That's my freedom of speech. I can yell if I want to. You can't tell me how to talk. That's freedom of speech. That's in the law. That's First Amendment, baby. So who don't know their rights? Yeah. And then what's the second charge about? Disorderly conduct. Why? What's disorderly conduct? Basically, the obstruction is because what's obstruction? What I did, I didn't fight them back. I didn't resist arrest. No nothing. I walked to the car. And
I was trying to explain all that.
So what's obstruction? Because when they were trying to talk, and it's on camera. So what's obstruction? If they talk to me, and I don't have to legally say nothing back. They were trying to make Big identify himself. And I told, and he knew that officer, right? They seen him come out the house. So how you gonna make a child identify themselves? If you seen him come out the house, then he clearly got no shoes on. He was not outside when y'all first pulled up. That's what I'm saying. So again, man, where my camera at? Cause all that shit was recorded.
I can explain it to you.
Y'all right? Y'all right? All that shit was recorded. All that shit was recorded. Who got the video? All that was recorded. Yeah, Miss Anita.
Whether she got video or not, ma'am, she needs to step out the car.
Miss Anita. Took. You can talk to him. They started come on the sidewalk. Go to jail.
I tried to explain it to her, but
I be down going to court. You bitch will have to come get me. I promise you that.
In the end, the two teenagers were released. The older sister, however, was charged with obstructing an officer and disorderly conduct. The takeaway is straightforward. Teenagers often mirror what they see at home. When authority is treated with hostility, that pattern repeats. Confusing your rights with open disrespect leads to one predictable destination: the back of a patrol car. No status and no personal excuse ever outrank the law. One reckless minute is all it takes to earn handcuffs and a criminal record. In your opinion, who was the most out of touch in this story? Share your thoughts below and stay with Green Law as we break down the next real-life encounter.